Today's concept is ray diagrams for a concave mirror. So in previous class we discussed about at what place we have to place the object and how to get the image. In the part of that we are going to discuss right now. An object is placed between P and F, means pole and focus. So I place the candle exactly between the pole of concave mirror and focus. First we have to draw the R1 ray. It is always after reflection passing through the focus. Next I took the R3 ray. It is passing through the center of curvature. Moreover, there is no deviation. There is no deviation to the R3 ray. When these two lines are extended into back, they are appearing to coming from a point. So that point is able to show the existence of image. So if you take the image characteristics, the type of image is virtual image, and it is a straight image. Straight means erect. If you compare the size of object and size of image is little bit bigger than object. That indicates the size of image is enlarged, means bigger one. Where it's formed, it is formed within the mirror. So mirror inside, we can able to get the image. Are you got the clarity about the characteristics of image? So these are the characters when object is placed between P and F positions. Right, children? Children. Next object, an object is placed at F. So choose the place at F, and this is the point of pole, and this is the center of curvature. So I took the help of R1 ray and another ray which is going to incident at the place of pole of the concave mirror. So these rays, that R1 ray is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it is passing through the focus. Next, if you take one more ray that is going to incident at the place of pole, after reflection it will back like this. These two rays are parallel. So these two rays never be meet at any point. For that, we can't be get the image at any distance. For that, the characteristics of image we call the image is formed at infinity. We don't know what type of image it is because it is not possible to capture on the screen. What a clarity, children. So this is the specified condition which not able to provide any image on the screen when object is placed at F. Right, children? Children, now you have third condition. An object is placed between F and C. So the object is between F and C in front of concave mirror. For that, first we have to take the R1 ray. R1 ray is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection passing through the focus. So I shown with the arrow marks. Second one, I taken the help of R2 ray. It is passing through the focus. After reflection it is parallel. Then where they are meeting, that point can able to form the image. So image is formed exactly out of the point, out of the place of C. So that particular place we called beyond C. Then what is the characteristics of image? It is real image, means it is possible to capture on the screen. How like it is enlarged, means the size of image little bit bigger than size of object. Then how like it is reverse form. Reverse form of image we call inverted form. Where is the place? Place is exactly beyond C. The condition is for what? An object is placed between F and C. See the condition. Right, children? Got the clarity? Yes, children. Next, fourth condition to place the object at C. So, see the condition in front of concave mirror. I place the candle exactly point C. Then I took the help of R1 ray and R2 ray. Where they are able to start, ultimately they can able to reach at same point. So this is the criteria for an object is placed at C. Then if you look into the characteristics of image, it is real image. Real image is possible to capture on screen. Next, how the size of image. Image size is equal to object size. Same thing we written. Next, how like it is reverse image. Reverse image we simply call inverted image. Where is the place? It is exactly below the point of C. So below the point of C. These are the characteristics of the image when object is placed at C. Right, children? Children, Now you have one more concept, that is an object placed.
Start.
Yes, children. Now we have an object is placed beyond C. For that, an object is placed exactly beyond C in front of concave mirror. I took the help of R1 ray. It is passing through the focus after reflection. And I taken R3 ray. It is exactly passing through the center of curvature. We already clear when you discussed about behavior of light rays on both the mirrors, concave mirror and convex mirror. There is no deviation. How light is going to incident on the mirror, in same path it can able to repeat. For that I shown clearly. Then the meeting point is exactly between the F and C. Then this particular place is able to get the image. I am looking into the characteristics of image. It is real image, means possible to capture on the screen. Then it is diminished. See the condition? The size of image is very small if you compare with the size of object. Then inverted image, we are already clearly watching that. Then where is the place between the fence? Then this is one type of diagram and it is having one more alternative. These two are based on R1 and R3 rays, but alternative diagram is based on R1 ray and R2 ray. Both are correct, but which is flexible to you and which is easy to you, that you have to choose. There is no problem in drawing of such type of image diagrams. Have you got the clarity? Right, children? Yes,
Right.
children. Now, an object is placed at an infinity distance. So, I take a concave mirror. Just here, I take a candle. I consider that it is the long distance. Long distance simply we call infinity distance. Then, how the image is formed? These all are parallel rays. After reflection, it is able to coincide with all reflected rays at the point of focus. So sometimes we have a joint like this. Those rays able to come and incident on the concave mirror below of the principal axis. Even though after reflection, those rays is able to coincide at the point of focus. So this is the place of image we have to capture. So if you look into the characteristics of image, it is real image because we are capturing on the screen. It is highly diminished. Simply it is appearing like a point size, very small or minute size. It is also inverted from. And last but not least, the place of image is exactly at F when we place the object at an infinity distance. At infinity distance. Right, children? These are the important diagrams in the 10th class. It is more easy and easy to score the marks in the exams. Right, children?